Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. The Bank of Jamaica says electronic transactions have started to play a greater role in holiday spending patterns. However, the bank has not yet created a system to report more readily on digital transactions, like it does with its currency circulation figures. The bulletin noted that while net currency issue for December had led to a 15% increase in the stock of notes and coins in circulation, this seasonal expansion had fallen short of the projected expansion of 17.2%. The BOJ says most of this deviation was reflected in higher than expected redemptions during the last 5 working days of the month, when financial institutions returned more banknotes to the central bank than projected. While notes and coins, and in particular the $1,000 note, remain the dominant means of settling retail transactions in Jamaica, the bank has noted the steady rise in the use of electronic means of payment by bank account holders. That includes point-of-sale debit and credit card transactions, as well as internet-based credit card transactions. The BOJ says data on these transactions are reported by the operator of the settlement platform on a monthly basis and are therefore not as readily available as the daily data on the Bank of Jamaica's currency operations. Those reports point to annual average growth in the use of electronic payments of about 24% for December for the past 5 years. That's higher than the average growth in currency of about 14%. The central bank says this trend will likely continue, in line with the efforts to broaden the participation of more unbanked Jamaicans in the financial system. The Bank of England is looking to Jamaica's central bank for communication ideas. The Bank of England is studying the central bank's monetary policy, comic books, and reggae videos. A working paper co-authored by Chief Economist at the Bank of England, Andy Haldane, found that engaging with a broader audience through simplified communication may be necessary. The report admits that the impact of Jamaica's central bank is hard to measure, but notes that different objectives may require specific communication strategies. To currency trading now. Currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $133.97. The Canadian dollar sold for $104.58. The pound sterling closed the day at $172.77, while the euro is going for $149.67. The JSE index lost 470 points today, while the junior market index gained 14 points. Among the winners were Caribbean Cream, Iron Rock Insurance, Salada Foods, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and Siboney Group. On the losing side were T-Tech, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Sterling Investments, Indies Pharma, and Berger Paints. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.